Have you ever found yourself struggling to switch between two horizontally split windows in IntelliJ? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're in the zone and need to access both files quickly. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. You might be working on a project with multiple files open, and switching between them should be seamless. But when you can't find the right shortcut, it feels like you're hitting a wall. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I switch between two files that are horizontally split in IntelliJ? They mentioned that while they can easily switch between vertically split files, they can't find a way to do the same for horizontal splits. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the deal with switching between horizontally split windows? Unlike vertical splits, IntelliJ doesn't have a dedicated shortcut for horizontal splits. This can be confusing, but don't worry, we'll explore some effective workarounds to make your workflow smoother. And make sure to stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will enhance your productivity in IntelliJ even further. To switch between horizontally split windows in IntelliJ, the user should first ensure that they are in the editor view. This is important because the shortcuts will only work when the focus is on the editor. Next, the user can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus up arrow to move the focus to the top split window, and Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to move to the bottom split window. If the user prefers using the mouse, they can also click directly on the desired split window to bring it into focus. This is a straightforward way to switch between files. Lastly, the user can customize their key map settings if these shortcuts do not work as expected. They can do this by navigating to the key map settings in IntelliJ. Fun fact, did you know that IntelliJ IDEA was first released in 2001? It has come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain, like this one. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the shortcuts Ctrl plus Tab or Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to switch between opened files. If you have just two files open, like in the example, pressing Ctrl plus Tab and then Enter will focus on the other editor. Here's a pro tip. Customize your key map in IntelliJ. You can assign your own shortcuts for switching between splits, making it easier to navigate your workspace. And there you have it. You should now be able to switch between horizontally split windows in IntelliJ with ease. Remember, customizing your shortcuts can greatly enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.